Ladies and gentlemen, the cephalopods are already a pretty cracked group to begin with. This family of marine animals, which includes the squids, the octopus, the nautilus, and cuttlefish, has a lot of traits going for it. Between their intelligence, they've got versatility through their ability to use their tentacles in different ways. In fact, their tentacles, at least in the octopus, each have their own nervous system and can act completely independently of the main body. Many of the cephalopods are also blessed with the chromatophore perk, which allows for pigment-changing cells that essentially allow them to change color at will, to blend in with their surroundings or communicate all sorts of funky stuff. However, recently I've been made aware of the Dana octopus squid, a rare species which combines all of these aforementioned traits into a package that grows up to 7.5 feet long and weighs up to 400 pounds. And last but not least, the Dana octopus squid also has arguably one of the most overpowered special abilities in the entire deep water meta. And I'm talking about the bioluminescent photophore perk. Essentially, giant flashlights on the end of its tentacles. It's got some meat flashlights that it can activate at will, and these are the largest bioluminescent photophores known to science, growing up to the size of a human fist or a softball. Basically, they use these bad Larrys to stun their prey in the dark. Could you imagine being some little fish, Nemo and Dory swimming along, and instead of the anglerfish, they pull up to a Dana octopus squid who flashes them with straight up stadium lights and then gobbles them up with its enormous beak. I've told you, this thing grows up to 7.5 feet in length. This could take on the largest human beings out there and straight up murk them. And you know for sure he's got an entry in the bingo book. And right next to that entry is a DNE. Do not engage. You want to flee on sight if you run into the Dana octopus squid. That's your only option. You got to get out of there ASAP. The only exception is if you are rocking the sperm whale build, then you have an advantage. You have that class type advantage and you can take them down and gobble them up. However, if you aren't lucky enough to be rocking that sperm whale build, get out of there ASAP. That's your only move because the Dana octopus squid is one bad hombre. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to make you aware of the Dana octopus squid. Thanks for tuning on in, and we'll catch you next time. Adios, amigos.